Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2006 Ford F150. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well, okay? Originally, the car just come with the basic radio. We just replaced this one with our navigation system. This is very nice navigation system here, alright? And this one comes with a built-in navigation, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can also watch the movie, Netflix, YouTube. You also support the video in motion as well, okay? You can also download any of the application to the system as well, okay? So let's start from the navigation first, okay? This is the navigation right here. The navigation is off now. You don't need any Wi-Fi to use the GPS, okay? They also come with the traffic update as well, okay? So this one is the USB, and the backlight of the button you will light up, okay, to match with the dashboard here, because right now it's the daytime, so you won't be able to see that, okay? How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, address, and then you can enter the address right here. Put down a little bit from the top, and then you can click on home. And then this one is also come the Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music, alright? It's very nice, okay? It's also direct fit, as you can see. It match with the dashboard very nicely. It also support the steering wheel control of the vehicle, alright? Just keep that in mind. And other than that, you can also go back, and then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can access to the internet right here. Is the internet browser. And it also support the Google Map as well, okay? This is the newest version of the Google Map. You don't need to, this one come with a feature that will allow you to download the map data to the unit, okay? Just click on this icon and then offline map, and then you can download the map data to the unit. That means next time when you use the system, you won't be able to, you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi in order to use the Google Map, because the map is already inside, all right? So click on the home again. We keep going, and then we can use the Netflix right here. This is the Netflix here. So basically, if you have the Netflix account, you can also download the movie and watch the movie right here. Right, it's very nice, and of course you can also watch the YouTube as well. Okay, for sure. This is the YouTube here. You can also the passenger for your car. You can also watch the movie while you're going for a road trip. Okay. And click on the home button again, and then this is some also come with the video player. That means you can download the movie to the USB, and then you can play that on the system as well. For example, you can go to VLC. The resolution of the screen actually is very nice.
He's a ghost.
Okay, it's very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay right now. This system supports the wireless Apple CarPlay. In order to use the Apple CarPlay, you just need to bring out your cell phone here, and then go to setting on your phone, Bluetooth, okay, and search the Bluetooth Bluetooth device on this new screen, which is called Ford, okay, and then you can go to Bluetooth right here, check all the information right here, and then enter the password 00040, okay, and then once you click on this one, and then you can open the, once you connect to the Bluetooth to the system, and then you can use the CarPlay. Okay, CarPlay app is right here, and then you can open the CarPlay app, and then you can grant the authorization on your cell phone. Okay, just keep that in mind. This system also supports the newest version of the iPhone 13 and iOS 15. You can see that use CarPlay. Okay, so basically this one supports the newest version of the iOS and the iPhone. This is the Apple CarPlay. As you can see, it's very nice. Okay, you can also change the background here. You can also check the message on your phone. Okay, and WhatsApp message. Click on one more time. You also support the split screen feature as well. Okay, so basically you can just basically, in order to use the Siri, you can just hold this icon. Bring me to the gas station.
Here's what I found.
Okay, you can also click on this one, and then what's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 16 degrees, and the low will be 7.
Okay, this is Apple CarPlay, alright? And then, so basically, in order to use the Apple CarPlay, you can just connect to the Bluetooth. But when you use the Apple CarPlay, you basically, because this is come with the wireless Apple CarPlay, okay? So the wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background, okay? Just keep that in mind. So that means while you use the Apple CarPlay, you can watch the YouTube at the same time. Okay, so if you want to watch the YouTube, you basically need to go to the cell phone here, go to the CarPlay menu on the cell phone. Okay, search CarPlay. Okay, and then click on this device, CJIN Nova, and then click on that, and then turn off the CarPlay, and then you can pair with other people's phone, or maybe you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, then of course you can also watch the YouTube and all this kind of feature. All right. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any questions, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.